What if I told you that there is a new update on 1688 right now that can make your source cheap product from China at a very cheap price and high quality from China, from any manufacturer, supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app? Right here in this video, I'm going to expose all the three powerful AI tools that you can use on that particular 1688 Chinese shopping app. This is a new update that you need to explore as a China importer that are using 1688 Chinese shopping app to source cheap product from China. Let me show you there. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, it's our pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you those AI too. Welcome back to this video. The very first thing we want to do is to make sure we head over to our 1688 Chinese shopping app and make sure we update the app to a latest version. And how do you do that? I'm going to walk you through step by step in this video. The very first thing you want to do here is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then have you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, let's see how we can simply update the app so that we can have access to all the three AI features and how we can explore them one after the other to make our sourcing of products on 1688 very smarter. So for us to update, we want to make sure we click on here. That's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on this setting icon from the top corner. So click on that. That's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do here is to make sure we scroll down right here. Scroll down until you get to this point right here. So as at the time of making this video, the current version of 1688 Chinese shopping app is 11.65.0.0. This is the latest versions right here. But from your own hand, if your app is not up to this particular version, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this particular point right here. It's going to show update, download update. Just click on download update, then allow the download update to complete. And once it download completely, then you are good. So as you can see right here, I'm already in latest version of 1688 Chinese shopping app. So if I click on here, you can see this simply means that my app is up to date. I do not need to download any update right now. Now, when you download the update completely, next thing you need to do is to make sure you come back to this particular section right here. And then you have to simply scroll to the top right here where you have AI right here. Simply click on that. There's going to take you right here. Now, by default, you have one AI tool right here. This AI tool here has been in existence on 1688 for about almost 1 year now. But recently, as a result of the updates, they tried to introduce these two and the third one right here. And these are amazing AI tools that can make your sourcing, shipment of product from China very smarter and easy. As far as pricing and quality is concerned on 1688. What you need to do right there is to make sure you turn on this particular tool button right here. For you to do that, simply turn on this. Once you turn on that, you are going to see this particular icon right here display on your phone. It's an AI tool that allow you to check on price comparison of a product, and I'm going to show you on how we use them on 1688 search field. Having enabled that, click on here again and turn on the third one. There you have it right here. What does this particular means here is that you give 1688 permission to display all over the other app. You can simply click on it, and then it takes you to display over apps sections right here. Allow it to load completely. Then right here, it's going to take you automatically to your phone in the app display. Scroll down right here and make sure you look for 1688 app. Here we go. So what you need to do is to turn on this particular button right here. It's that simple. And then we can simply click on here to go back into our 1688 Chinese shopping app. Now we have the three AI tools being enabled right here. Now, how do we use some of these AI tools on our 1688 Chinese shopping app to source for product. So I'm going to simply exit from here and then go back to my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. Now, this is the first AI tool right here. This AI tool right here, if you click on it, it's going to load up right here. And here, this allows you to ask any question from this particular AI tool right here. You can also check on different categories from the top right here. Now, let's say, for instance, I'm looking for quality assurance shoe manufacturer from 1688, different supplier in different region. What we want to do is to click on here now, and we type in, please, you can type in English language or whatever language you understand. Please, can you give me top 10 factory that produce quality shoes? Then once you type in your question, hit on send, and in a few seconds, the AI is going to refine and show you based on your question. Just like what you see right here, you can see them right here. You can simply scroll down, and then here, these are factory indication. And this is another great way for you to connect with manufacturer direct. Then here, we ask for 10, at least 10 manufacturer. We simply click on here, and then when you click on that, it show more as far as this is concerned. You can also see them right here. Now here, you can also make use of this icon right here, which allow you to speak to the mic. If you cannot type, you can use voice narration with this particular AI right here. So this is one of the first great AI tools that you can use right now to source on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let's simply go back. Now, the second AI tool I would like to discuss about in this tutorial is that when we get to our home page right here, now we have different products right here. Okay, how are we making use of this price comparison AI tool, which is the great one I'm going to explain right here in this video. Let's, for instance, I have a product, this particular product right here. Let's say I'm looking for this particular product on 1688. What we want to do here is to simply take a screenshot of this particular product picture and use AI price comparison to filter out with some of the cheap products that sell high quality of this particular product. So let's find out. So what we want to do now is to head over to our 1688. So I'm going to simply come back here and make sure I click on my camera icon right here. Click on the camera icon and it takes you right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to position and make sure I take a snap of the picture of the product. Then allow the system to scan. So this is a general scan entirely, and it's going to give me the product sample of what I upload. Now we have it right here. Now, how are we going to make use of this AI price comparison with screenshot? Then you have the app icon on your phone display from the corner side right here, like I explained. What you need to do right here is to simply click on this icon right here. So let me simply take it to a white background so you can see it right here. So click on the icon display on your phone. So I will go ahead now and click on it. Once you click on it, allow the system to scan the product. Once it scans the product, it's going to show you variable prices of that same similar product. So just like what you see right here, now we have it in the variable way. So you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products, picture, prices from different store right here. So you can see the same products with different prices right here. And for you to make a contact with the recommended store by 1688 Chinese shopping app, what you need to do is to pay proper attention to this icon label right here. So any store that has this particular label, they are recommended by 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click on this product right here. Now, as at the time of making this video, the original price for this product is 25 yen. But as at the time of making this video, if I place order for this product, I'm paying just 10 yuan. So you can see I was able to save about 15 yuan with the same quality of the product. You can swipe this way and check on the product picture. The more you swipe, the more you see product picture. You can also scroll down right here and see how far the product has been sold so far on the store. Just like what you see right there, this product here, a lot of people have been taking the advantage of cheapest price as far as this is concerned. You can see in the past, the product has been sold for 1,000 pieces plus, which is something that you can easily consider. You can also scroll down right here and check on the general store rating of the store. Take a look at it. 4.5 is quite good enough. It's that simple. So these are the great AI tools that you can explore, that you can use to source cheap products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app right now. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to book your link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.